Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the best Discord bots you need to improve your server. Whether you want better moderation, more engagement, or fun games, these bots will help make your server more interactive and organized. By the end of this video, you'll know the must-have Discord bots for every server, what each bot does and why it's useful, how to install them easily from Discord's app directory. Let's get started. Before we go through the bots, let me quickly show you how to add them to your server. Open Discord and go to your server. Click on your server name, top left corner. Select App Directory from the drop-down. Search for the bot you want to add, for example, Me6. Click Add App and grant permissions. The bot is now in your server. Now let's check out the best Discord bots you should add. DynoBot, best for moderation and auto management. Dyno is one of the best moderation bots out there. It helps with auto moderation, anti-spam, custom commands, and auto roles. What it does: automatically moderates messages to prevent spam. Lets you set up auto roles for new members. Custom commands to make server management easier. Carlbot, best for reaction roles and custom messages. If you want reaction roles, custom welcome messages, and embed messages, Carlbot is perfect. What it does: lets users self-assign roles by reacting to messages. Sends custom welcome messages to new members. Helps you create cool-looking embedded messages. Me6, best for server engagement and custom commands. Me6 is a powerful all-in-one bot that helps with server engagement, leveling, and moderation. What it does: allows users to earn XP and levels for being active. Lets you create custom commands. Moderates chats and warns users automatically. Invite Tracker, best for growing your server. Want to track invites and reward top inviters? Invite Tracker is the perfect bot. What it does: tracks who invited who into your server, allows you to create invite leaderboards, rewards users for bringing in new members. Ticket Tool, best for server support and tickets. If you run a gaming, community, or business server, Ticket Tool is a must-have for managing support requests. What it does: allows users to create private support tickets. Helps organize member requests in a professional way. Automates ticket closing and logging. Dankmemer, best for fun and games. If you want to make your server more fun, Dankmemer is a must-have. What it does: adds funny memes and commands to chats. Lets users earn and spend virtual currency. Includes mini-games. Monito RSS, best for auto-posting news and social media updates. Monito RSS is a free and open-source bot that automatically delivers customized news straight to your Discord server. What it does: automatically posts updates from RSS feeds, YouTube channels, Reddit, and more. Customizable filters to ensure only relevant content is shared. Mention users or roles when specific keywords are detected. Visit the Monito RSS website and click Invite Me to add it to your server. And that's it. Those are the best Discord bots you need to improve your server and keep it active. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Discord bot? Comment below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.